Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your current wallet balance on your PlayStation 4 account. So if you want to know how much money you still have on your PlayStation account, go on over to the PlayStation Store. Then when this menu loads up, we want to go up to the top and then go to Cart and select this. Now, in the upper right side of the screen, it says the subtotal is 0 because I have nothing in my cart. But then it says current wallet is $1.51. Yours will be completely different. So that is how you can easily check your current wallet to see how much money you have in there. Then at any point in time, you can go up to the top and you can go to settings, go to account management, then go to account information. And under this section, you might have to type in your password once again, but then you can come to wallet right here, change your payment methods and purchase settings. Then we can add funds to our wallet right here. Then we can view our transaction history. We can put a password on the store purchases, or we can add a credit card or a PayPal account right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.